Someone please tell Dr. William Davis we turned his L. Reuteri yogurt into a kulfi. Assalamu alaikum. Someone please tell Dr. William Davis that we did not just make his L. Reuteri yogurt, we turned it into L. Reuteri kulfi. Yes, kulfi. A probiotic dessert that was fermented for 36 hours and is still very much alive. You might be thinking, what's Dr. Asma up to now?
Seriously, stop.
A lot of my patients who come to the clinic and in the comment section also keep asking me, Dr. Asma, probiotic yogurt does not taste good. My kids won't eat it. My family says it's too sour. So I thought, why not turn probiotics into something desi, familiar and enjoyable? Today I am showing you how I took Dr. William Davis's famous L. Reuteri yogurt and transformed it into a kulfi style probiotic dessert. So the first step to make any probiotic, whether kulfi or yogurt, is to sterilize the container in which you want to make the probiotic. Just boil the water, turn off the flame and then keep your container in that water for about an hour. And if it's still unclear, you can find more details in my full video on how to make L. Reuteri yogurt. We have made detailed videos on L. Reuteri yogurt. For example, on how to make L. Reuteri yogurt without inulin. And we have also shared how to make L. Reuteri yogurt even without the culture. So if you want to watch all those videos, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you are notified whenever we upload such wonderful videos. And if you don't have my Reuteri, Dr. William Davis's L. Reuteri culture, or you feel buying the whole bottle is expensive for you, I can give you 1 or 2 capsules. Contact me on the given number because I can give you 1 or 2 capsules as you want to start your yogurt culture. Because once you make L. Reuteri yogurt, you can make more L. Reuteri yogurt with the same yogurt that you have made with the capsules once. So first let's talk about the milk. Dr. William Davis has used half and half in all of his L. Reuteri yogurt videos. But there is no half and half in Pakistan. So I used regular milk and slowly heated it at 80 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until it reduced to about half. At that point it was not just milk anymore. It was almost like rubbery. Just make sure you use a thick bottomed pan to reduce your milk. And you have to stir it after every 10 to 15 minutes and then leave it covered. And your rubbery style half and half is ready. And Dr. ChatGPT says this is much better than the store-bought half and half. Mostly because it tastes better, it is naturally rich and creamy. Plus it shows more bacterial growth because of its creaminess. Mostly because it has no chemicals and additives because it is made with 100% fresh home milk. So once we have successfully thickened and reduced our milk, the first thing we will do is we will add the kulfi essentials to it. Here I have some real saffron and you have to be very careful while buying saffron because 90% of saffron in the market is actually fake. And I have made a whole video on how to distinguish fake saffron from the real saffron. Do view it. Anyway, in our warm milk, we will add the saffron and the cardamom pods. Once we have done that, then we will add our dry fruits. Some of the dry fruits we will add finely crushed and some of the dry fruits we will add like coarsely crushed. Because you have seen the cross section of the kulfi. In the cross section of the kulfi, you can see some coarse nuts also. So we want an effect just like that. Basically, it's like probiotics. If they were throwing a party, this would be the wedding menu. Now, one very important rule. Never add probiotics to hot milk. Just check the temperature of your milk. It should be about 40 degrees Celsius. So, once the temperature is lowered, we will first add inulin. Inulin is the food for probiotics. It is like a buffet for L. Reuteri. And if you don't have inulin, do contact me. I have inulin in bulk with me. Next, we will add the sweetener. I am adding stevia and a lot of it. Usually to the whole cake, I add 1 teaspoon and over it, I am adding 1 teaspoon to this whole milk. Because it has nuts in it and kulfi is naturally very sweet. Next, once we have ensured that the temperature is not more than 38 degrees Celsius, we will add our culture. You can add the L. Reuteri capsules if you have those. I am using my previous yogurt batch because we can make more L. Reuteri yogurt with the previous yogurt batch also. Now comes the hardest part, waiting for 36 hours. Even a Netflix series feels shorter than that. And friends, if you are still watching at this point, it is very clear that you are genuinely interested in gut health and probiotics. You have probably seen already some of my Kifa videos or my gut healing content, or the ones where I say not everything has to come from capsules. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because here we turn science into something you can actually live with. So after 36 hours, when I opened the container, what I saw was not regular yogurt. It was thick, smooth and perfectly set. Very little water separation and no strange smell at all. It had become a probiotic dessert. Now we have to put it in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight so that it can set even more. Once out, it looks like this. You can see it is completely gel. Look at this beauty. No one can tell this is not a real kulfi. And then when I sliced it and lifted it, look at this. This does not look like yogurt at all. It looks like kulfi. But the difference is this one actually works on your gut because it is rich in probiotics. You can decorate your kulfi with some pistachio slices and some saffron threads as you like, but you can see it generally looks like a kulfi and it tastes like a kulfi also. No one can tell this is L-Reuteri yogurt because of its taste. L-Reuteri is not an ordinary probiotic. It supports gut health, mood, sleep and even skin. That's why people who take probiotics like L-Reuteri yogurt or L-Reuteri kulfi regularly seldomly fall ill or need antibiotics. And when you consume it in a form that you genuinely enjoy, consistency becomes easy. And for those of you who want to try making this at home, if you don't have access to the culture, I am happy to share 1 or 2 L-Reuteri capsules with you so that you can start your own batch. Just reach out through the comments or the contact details mentioned. So, Dr. William Davis, if you ever visit Pakistan, we won't serve you L-Reuteri yogurt. We will serve you L-Reuteri kulfi. If you'd like to see more such flavors or dairy-free versions or a kid-friendly version, let me know in the comment section below. And remember, a happy gut makes everything better. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.